In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a business email in Hostinger. Maybe you're cleaning up old accounts, removing a test inbox, or simply organizing your workspace. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through each step so you know exactly what to click, what you're looking at, and what to watch out for before you remove an email account. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account and access hPanel, which is Hostinger's control panel for managing your hosting, domains, and email services. Once you're signed in and you see the main hPanel dashboard, look for the section that's dedicated to email. This is usually labeled emails, and it's the central place where all your email settings and accounts are managed. Go ahead and click on the email section. This will open a page that shows a list of your domains that have email services set up. If you manage several domains under the same Hostinger account, you'll see them all listed here. Take a moment to make sure you're working with the correct domain, especially if different teams or projects rely on different email addresses. Next to the domain where the email account you want to delete is hosted, you'll see a button labeled Manage. Click on Manage. This will open the email management area for that specific domain, where you can see all the email accounts, their storage usage, and various settings like forwarders and autoresponders. On this page, look for a section called Email Accounts. This is where each individual mailbox associated with that domain is listed. You should see a table or list of email addresses along with details such as their current usage and available actions. Carefully find the exact email address you want to delete. It's worth double checking here because once an account is removed, its contents are typically gone for good. Before you move on, consider whether there's anything important in that inbox. If necessary, sign into the mailbox using webmail or your email client and back up any critical messages or files. You might also want to let colleagues or clients know that the address will no longer be in use and set up a replacement address if needed. Once you're sure you have the right email account and you're ready to remove it, look to the right side of that accounts row. You'll either see a trash can icon, which represents delete, or a three-dot menu icon. If you see the trash can, click it to start the deletion process. If you see the three dots, click that first and then choose delete from the small menu that appears. When you click delete, Hostinger may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this email account. Read the confirmation message carefully so you understand that the mailbox and its contents will be permanently deleted. If you're completely sure, confirm the action. After a moment, the email address should disappear from the email accounts list, which means it has been successfully removed. That's all you need to do. You've now deleted a business email account in Hostinger using hPanel.